Meet the Nexgrill 17.5-inch barrel charcoal grill, the compact barrel grill that brings big smoky flavor without taking up a whole hog's worth of patio space. Under the main hood, durable porcelain wire cooking grids span 349 square inches of primary grilling space. Below the grids, adjustable air vents on each side of the grill deliver temperature control for precise grilling. While a spring-loaded chimney delivers efficient airflow throughout the grill. To the left of the firebox, a convenient side shelf offers plenty of room for prep, plus a bottom shelf provides even more room for storing all your grilling essentials. When grill time is over, a removable ash catcher keeps cleanup simple, while heavy-duty wheels and compact design make freeing up patio space a walk in the park. Tight on space but big on flavor? We've got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill 17.5-inch barrel charcoal grill.